Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, another unboxing, and I think this is also skincare. Yeah, I know, kind of boring. I've been receiving a lot of skincare opportunities, so I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna take advantage. So this is, I believe, from Yesstyle. I'm barely accepted into their program, so yeah. Okay, I think it is because I don't see paper here, but so this is an facial cream. So let me open this plastic first. So gosh, so they packed it up real good, so nobody can get it, and it doesn't get damaged at all. Wow, dang. All right. Okay, so ooh, there's a receipt. Yes, it says Yesstyle. Oh yeah, Yesstyle right here. Okay, so yay. Okay, so this is how the box looks. I'm gonna put it on right now. I just put serum. So this is fragrance free, which yay, I'm so happy because that's what I look for in creams for my sensitive skins. And it says dermatologically tested. Alright, it's pretty good. So this is a daily lightweight hydrating formula with extracts of Laminaria japonica. Girl, I don't know how to say it, but look, this is right there. So alright. Oh, and it even says what that extract helps for. That ingredient helps for is basically has vitamin C, E, and minerals. So alright, that's great. And it says it protects, hydrates, and exfoliates the skin. How if it's just a cream? That's pretty interesting. While improving the appearance of fine lines, which I don't struggle with fine lines of stuff yet, but actually no, I do have in my forehead, like right here, that big line. I only have fine lines in my forehead, but it's just like one bit, because I go like that or I go like that. Like, it's inevitable. I'm always gonna have these wrinkles unless I do Botox, which I'm not. Maybe in the future. Imagine. No, I don't think so. Maybe, I don't know. Who knows? I'm not gonna say no, but I don't know. Maybe. I don't like needles, so probably not, to be honest. And nah, probably won't. But yeah, who knows? Maybe I changed my mind, but whatever. So, oh, I like the packages. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it. Oh, alright. So far, it looks good. Oh, there's a signature in there. Oh, it's just a brand name. I don't freaking know. Okay, so and I think this is a Korean brand. Yeah, Yesstyle is like a platform where you get Korean skincare, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's Asian related beauty companies, so I think, yeah. So this is how it looks. Okay, I'm just gonna open it up. So it comes like this. Okay, so ooh. Well, I love that it has a lot of product. They filled it up real nice, like to the top, and I have a lot here. So yeah, it's true, it doesn't really have a scent to it, so it's a great sign. So far I'm liking it. So I'm gonna put some here in my hand. Kind of moisturizing and soft. It's not thick at all. It looks like it's thick, but it's not. It's lightweight. So alright, so I think this is good for all skin types. So I'm just gonna grab in. Ooh, it's cold and refreshing. I need a lot of cream. I've not been doing my skincare for the past 2 to 3 weeks, which is bad, but I've been wearing mask and I'm sick, and you have to blow your nose, or I think it's gonna be a waste. I got too excited and I put a lot, so I'm gonna put some in my neck. On the back of my ears, I get really dry there, like a lot, inside as well. I have white flaky flakes, and it looks like I don't shower or I don't have good hygiene, but that's how dry I am. Same with my scalp. Like, people used to think at school that I wouldn't shower because my hair, I get dandruff, and it looks like I don't shower, but I do. But it's just, doesn't matter how many times you shower, or if you don't shower, you're still gonna have dandruff. You're still gonna have dry, flaky skin, and it's gonna look disgusting. I know. It looks like you don't take care of yourself. Trust me, I do. I try my best. I'm just so dry that's how it looks. It looks like I don't take care of myself, but I do. So far my skin is not reacting bad to the cream so far. Okay, so I kind of feel dry here and crusty. I recently had eczema, so I hope this doesn't make my skin react bad for mixing skincare ingredients. I'm itchy here, but you can see my skin needs a lot of help. It has a lot of imperfections. Oops, I'm supposed to rub my cream like this. I keep forgetting. It's not that down, it's up. And the face like this. I need a gua sha. I don't know if that's how you say it correctly. Sorry. Anyway, but it's like a little tool, and then you go like this, and improves like blood circulation and other things. So it helps you age slower, and it actually helps you as well when it comes to your health, not just anti-aging thing. I don't know. I just need one of those, or the roller thing from the skin. So yeah, anyways. Okay, overall, I'm liking this. First impressions, it feels nice. It's lightweight, moisturizing. It doesn't feel heavy or thick. It feels a little tacky now. It doesn't feel overwhelming. So if you have dry, oily combination skin, I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. So wow. Alright, so far I'm glad I chose this, because they gave me like 2 other options for me to choose from, for me to pick, and I chose this cream. So okay, this is cool. Okay, let me just close this. What kind of, I was gonna read the ingredients, but I just read it at the beginning. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I think I kind of want to do a makeup video now, but I don't know. I haven't played with makeup in a long time. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. So, oh yeah, I'm gonna do a close-up. Okay, so I look a little bit dewy, but not intense. It doesn't look oily. You can barely tell I put cream on, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye. Thanks for watching.